In this video, we're going to compare mounting options, video resolution, and an audio test to see what's the best option you're looking for. Which one's the bang for the buck? Let's find out. And this video is not sponsored by Insta360 or GoPro, but I am a GoPro ambassador. Let's start with the goods. The GO3 can be mounted to anywhere.
Look at that. Look at that. It's a lens protector, but yeah. Woo! The Insta360 GO3 can stick to anything. Right now it's stuck on a speed limit sign that says 25 miles per hour.
Including my chest with this little bracket that comes with the Insta360 GO3. Meanwhile, for the GoPro, if I want to remove this, I would have to unscrew it, which sometimes the screw gets jammed, so it's really tight. Then I gotta remove it, then I have to put out the flaps. Then if I want to put it back in, I have to open up the flaps again. I have to make sure that you align it properly and make sure that the fingers don't bend. And then after that, I have to screw it back in. Honestly, I would rather prefer using the Insta360 magnet feature, especially when I'm on a bike talking with friends and it's like I don't want to be low profile. I just remove it. There you go. GO3 has a compact size and it is way smaller than the GoPro HERO Session that recently has been discontinued. Wow. The max resolution on the GO3 is 2.7K. Meanwhile, on the GoPro HERO 12, it is 5.3K, and so is the GoPro HERO 11. So the GoPros have an advantage in this case because it goes all the way up to 5.3K, and then the Insta360 GO3 has a disadvantage because its minimum is 2.7K, but it is understandable due to its little size of being the GO3. The battery on the GO3 can last up to 45 minutes, on the GoPro HERO 11 it can last up to 55 minutes, and on the GoPro HERO 12 it will last up to 60 minutes, which is one whole hour. If your Insta360 GO3 runs out of battery, you can just attach it to the action pod and it will give you extra hours of battery life. Meanwhile, for the GoPro, you have to unlatch it and remove your battery. You have to remove your battery in order to get extended battery life, or either you have to tether it to a USB-C cable in order for it to work properly. The GoPro HERO 12 will have a highlights function when you are recording. Meanwhile, on the GoPro, the Insta360 GO3, you just press this little button right here that you do not see, and it will actually start recording for you. It's now recording. Hello! So, if you want to stop recording, just press it again. Boom. Easy peasy. How are the other interviews not talking about that? Dude, even my line's excited about it. And here's a little audio test on the bottom of your screen. It will show you which camera is which. So again, we got the GoPro HERO 11, the GoPro HERO 12, and the Insta360. This is what the audio sounds like on the Insta360 GO3. This is what the audio sounds like on the GoPro HERO 12 Black. And this is what the audio sounds like on the GoPro HERO 11 Black. It all depends on your use case. However, if I miss anything, I would really appreciate it if you can please tell me in the comments down below and let me know what it is, because honestly, I'm a high schooler, so I have a lot of things to focus on. I got homework, all this stuff, and I got this camera review for you. Now, there are links down below in the description if you want to learn more. And for my subscribers, I will see you in the next video.